Video Diary. We're here on the west coast, just north of Greymouth, by about 15 kilometres north of Greymouth, and you've got a lot of islands, like right on the west coast, like just out off the coast. And if you get a really good, big seas and that, it can be quite dramatic. We're actually further up north, up that way, and there was some really dramatic landscape shooting, sort of like the Apostles in Australia. But as you can see here, what we've got here is there's some islands further out of here, and you've got this green ocean, literally a green ocean, the dark blue skies. You've got a big thunderstorm going through there. We got fog down here like it's sea spray, and I'm going to let you listen. You hear that? That's the little, the shoreline, if you will, is made up of millions of little pebbles, and as the water recedes back, you can hear it. As the water recedes back, it pulls all these stones back out, isn't it? It's really loud. You hear it? I'll just wait for another one to come through. At the moment, I'm just doing I'm finishing doing a time lapse at the moment, which is just, that'll be quite nice. We'll try and get one more listen. We'll get another wave. Hang on. Here's a good wave. We'll listen to this. It's as loud as a bloody jet plane. Anyway, see the big storm going through there. We're actually going down that way to French Show. So cheery, signing off. Video Diary, just above Greymouth. Cheers, bye.